Here's how to add music in Instagram profile. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add music in your Instagram profile. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's a new update where you can add music into your Instagram profile. So here, as you can see, if I go to my profile right over here and press on my edit profile, and I'll be able to see the option of music right over here. And if I press on it, I'll just press on the plus icon and I can basically add any type of music onto my account. But let's see if you don't see this option. What you need to do is just basically go to App Store, and inside App Store just basically type in Instagram. Once you type it in, and this is what you need to do, you just basically need to update your Instagram if you're not seeing that option. So you just need to update your Instagram. Once you do the updating process, you just gotta go to Instagram directly just like that, and then press on your profile, and then just directly go to edit profile, and then you'll be easily able to see the option of music, and then you just gotta press on it and then press on the plus icon or anywhere near it, and then you're just good to go. You could add any type of music that you like to inside your profile. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can add music in your Instagram profile. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.